Hello, this tutorial is all you need to start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. Now, I've been doing this for a very long time and I am running like multiple stores doing dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. And in this video, I will cover every single thing you need to know so that you can start this business in this new year, okay? So like I said, keep watching, make sure you watch this till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. Let's get started right now. First, I have to mention that I am not going to use any software on this video. I actually believe softwares are a waste of money and you will never help you grow your eBay dropshipping business. I have tried softwares in the past but didn't help me at all. Now that's why I will show you the method I am using myself, which is manual eBay dropshipping. I will show you step by step in this tutorial how you can grow your account and reach $10,000 a month on eBay using AliExpress. Now first I have to go to AliExpress to show you exactly what I do exactly to find winning products and what I use, what metrics I use in order to recognize winning products. Now that's exactly what I will show you, and like I said, I will cover every single thing in just a few seconds. Now what I do myself is I go to AliExpress, okay? Just check their products here. You will be able to see here a lot of products. I'm going to click on one of these products, okay? Now this product, for example, in order for me to list it on eBay, I have to check if people on eBay are interested in this product or not. Because if this product was sold 5,000 times on AliExpress, and that's not going to get, that does not mean that this product is going to get sales on eBay too, okay? If that makes sense, I have to check if eBay buyers are interested in this product or not. Now before I show you how to set up everything, let me show you this thing, which is how to find winning products. That's why, because this is the most important thing on eBay, is to be able to find winning products. So what I do myself is I go, okay, I try to copy the title of the AliExpress seller and then I search for it on eBay. Now why I do this is because I want to find if other sellers on eBay are selling the exact same product or not. Now in this case, we found someone that is selling the same products. Yeah, it's actually the same, as you can see. It's the same, yes, but okay, we found someone selling the exact same product, but this guy doesn't have any sales on his eBay listings, okay? But on AliExpress, it has 3 sales. Now, we cannot list this because this shows us that this product is not, people are not interested in this product on eBay. What we need to do is, just because we found this and it doesn't work, what we need to do is to check the item location of the seller on eBay. Now if it's China, that's what we want. Now next thing, after you see here located in China, the next thing you need to check is the username. Click on the username, and then what you need to do, you want to click on about. Now this is very important. Now here the location is United States, right? And the item location is China. What this shows us is this guy is a dropshipper and he is dropshipping from AliExpress, because AliExpress is a Chinese website and this guy is located in United States. Now this means this guy is a dropshipper. What we need to do is we can go to his own store, okay? And then what we need to do first, before I show you how you can do this, what you need to do after you find the dropshipper, like I said, dropshipper, to recognize a dropshipper, the item location has to be China and the store location has to be another country, not China. In this case, it's United States, okay? Now, this way, you will be able to find a lot of dropshippers using this title that this eBay seller using. Now, because they all use the same titles if they work. Now, what we need to do is we want to copy this title, okay? Because we know this product is being dropshipped from AliExpress, we can copy this exact title and then search for other sellers that are copying this guy, okay? Now, what we need to do is this way now, This way, we will be able to find other dropshippers, but this one is not a dropshipper because located in United States. This means this guy is not a dropshipper and we shouldn't copy him or compete with him. Now what we need to do is we want to scroll down a little bit. Now we found another one, but it's the same store we have copied the title from, which is this store, and he's selling it for $18 and on AliExpress it's selling for $7. But this is not a good product because like I showed you, it doesn't have any sales history on eBay. Now there is another guy here that is selling the exact same product for basically the same price. Now what we need to do, and there is also another guy here, he is selling it for a little bit higher and actually has some sales history. Now I'm going to click on this. As you can see, this one has 14 sales. Okay, 14 sales. That means this product is selling. Okay, it's not just because this guy doesn't have any sales history. There is someone else on eBay that is actually selling this product. Now what we need to do, okay, is to actually copy the title. Let me check here. Now if you check here, this title is getting people to click on the product on eBay. Okay, now as you can see, he is selling it for much higher and this guy is selling it for much less, which is $18, but this guy is selling it for $21, yet he doesn't have any sales even though he is selling it cheaper than this guy. The thing here, the difference here is the title. Look, like this title is not proven to work. So this title need to be changed because people are not searching for these keywords in order for them to find this product. But this guy, he's also dropshipper. I can check that for you right now. As you can see, located in China, and then I can check here the item location. It's going to be somewhere else. I'm going to click on about, and as you can see, it's Israel. So this guy is a dropshipper 100% because he's dropshipping from a different country, from his own original country. Now what we need to do is, because this guy has 14 sales, this means this is a good product, but we need to copy this title, this exact title. We need to use it to list the product on eBay. So what you need to do in this case is you want to download the images from AliExpress and start listing the product. That's all you need to do. But here is something that I just noticed right now. The images are not like the same exactly, but there are, let me check here the image color. Yeah, this one for example. Yeah, it's actually, there is some difference here with the product, but just some images, not all images. Now this one, for example, he is literally selling the exact same one. So basically all these colors are probably being sold on AliExpress for the same price, which is $7, $8 each. Now this guy is making a profit of $5 because keep in mind that eBay has a fee which is 13% fee for each transaction or each item you sell on eBay. Okay, so now what you need to do is to list this exact product on eBay. By the way, if you want me to help you and grow your account, let me show you my Instagram account. You can just contact me and we can do a call, and then I can explain to you every single thing. I can also take your store from $0 to $10,000 a month or whatever we agree on. This is my username. Just search for Mohammed L2U. So here is you. Okay, so it's in French. Okay, you get the point. That's my Instagram. Just search for it and then you will be able to find it. Now we have found a good product, as you can see here, and we need to list it. Like I say, like you see here, it's the same product, and as you can see, we need to list the product now on our store. Now what you need to do to list the product, you just need to click here on sell in the top right, and then you want to click on create listing. And then what you need to do next is, like I said, you want to copy this eBay title because it's proven to work on eBay. Then click on search. Now after you click on search, you want to scroll down, click on new with tags, and then click on continue. Now after you click continue, of course you have to download the images from AliExpress, and this is very easy. You just need to search for an extension. It's called AliExpress download images. And after you download these images, let me show you here, Ali Save. You can download this extension. Just click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Now this extension will help you download the images from AliExpress without any problem. Just click on main images, and then you will be able to download all the images right now. Now what you need to do next is you want, like I said, to add here the images on your listing. Now we have added the title, as you saw earlier. We have added the title. Now what we need to do is we want to add the images. Now here are the images. I'm going to copy paste here, paste there, paste here the images, and I'm going to use this as the main images. Just press and hold and then drag it here. That's going to be the first image buyers see when they are searching for the product. Now if you just click here on brand here, by the way, the item specifics, you have to copy them from the eBay seller, okay, all the time. Now here the material, here he says polyester, the material, the same thing. I'm going to do the same thing. That's the item specifics here. If it's not showing, don't worry. Here the brand, it's unbranded on his store. He selected he sells it as unbranded. That's what we are going to do. The size here, let me check here the size. I'm going to add the same thing, which is casual. The size type, I'm going to search here for size type. It seems like it's not here. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, also the description, you have to copy it from this eBay seller. Okay, don't worry about copyright. There is no copyright here. I've been doing this for 6 years now. Just copy the title and then the images, and then click Ctrl C, and then paste the images and everything on your description. Now here, by the way, the item location, it has to be China. Okay, very, very important. It has to be China because AliExpress is a Chinese website. Okay, now here the city, you can just add the capital of China or multiple locations. It's not really that important. After that, after you add all the specifications, you want to click on list it. Now after you list the product, what's going to happen is just wait, and then you can get some views, and then eventually you will start to get sales. But you have to keep in mind that in order for you to have a higher chance to grow your account very quickly, you have to list at least 10 products per day, which is exactly my strategy. That's exactly what I have been doing for a very long time, which is list 5 to 10 products per day. That way I will always get more sales on my stores. Now I hope this one helped you. I know you might have questions like what I'm going to do if someone opens a dispute or return. Just go to AliExpress, click on my orders, and then you will do the same thing. And then AliExpress gives you the refund, and then you refund the buyer on eBay. Now, like I said, you can contact me on Instagram if you have any questions or anything like that. As you can see here, this is my own Instagram account. Now, I hope this tutorial helped you. I'm trying my best to help you with this video. If this one helped you, please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions too. I also reply on comments, okay? See you in the next tutorial.